Running your inverter indoors is never an option. Carbon monoxide is an odorless gas that can kill you in minutes. So when you need to run your inverter outdoors in bad weather, keep it protected with a Storm Shield severe weather cover. Installation is simple. Follow along in your manual. To start, locate the exhaust. Then lift the handle and place the first angle brace adjacent to the electrical panel at a height that is below the exhaust so the Kevlar strap will not block the exhaust. Once you have determined the appropriate height for your corner braces, notice the angle of the body on the inverter at each corner. Is it vertical or does it have a slope? If it is vertical, install both gator grommets with the thin side facing the inverter. If it's at an angle, install the gator grommet so that the strap will be vertical according to the guidelines in the manual. Set the 4 corner braces in the correct orientation and then lay out the strap alongside the unit. Slide the strap through the braces without twisting the strap, making sure that the strap lays flat and sits behind the center section of the brace. With the strap threaded through all 4 braces, pull the slack and thread the strap through the ratchet buckle. Then slowly tighten the strap while checking to make sure the braces stay in place. Once you know all 4 braces are level, at the correct height, and the exhaust is not being blocked, firmly tighten the ratchet and secure the remaining length of strap. Next, connect the extender arms. Begin by connecting extender arms on the exhaust side of the unit, and adjust the arms to their furthest positions away from the inverter. Then measure the distance between 2 matching holes on each arm. We need a spacing between 23 and 25 inches. If the distance is less than 23 inches, add more extender arms until you can get a measurement between 23 and 25 inches. Then move to the remaining 2 braces, and add extender arms and adjust the angles to create a span of 34 to 36 inches lengthwise, and 24 to 26 inches on the opposite end, between matching holes on each side. Next, insert a fiberglass frame rod into the central connector until it stops. Then insert the other end of the rod fully into the correct hole on the corresponding extender arm. Repeat this step on opposing rods while holding the central connector steady until all rods are installed and the frame is complete. Next, secure the canopy over the frame, and be certain the fueling door is not on the same side as the exhaust. Slide the corner elastic over the corresponding arm, and repeat this step on opposing sides until all 4 corners are secure. Readjust the canopy if needed, ensuring that it is level and the seams generally align with the frame rods. To attach the electrical apron, lift the flap to reveal the Velcro, and center the apron on your electrical panel. Secure with the Velcro on all sides and replace the flap, and make sure the apron never blocks the exhaust. Your Storm Shield installation is complete. Recheck the braces and make sure everything is secure, and always follow all the safety guidelines in your installation guide as well as your inverter's operation manual.